Our topic for today is identifying four conic sections in general form. It is only applicable in general form, which yung general form natin is a x squared plus bxy plus c y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Ang lagi lang natin tatandaan is yung coefficient a, b, and c. Use the formula b squared minus 4ac sa pag-identify ng conic section natin. Conic sections, circle siya if yung b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 at masasatisfy niya na yung b equals 0 and yung a is equal sa c. Sa ellipse naman is b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Pareha sila ng circle na less than 0 but dapat masatisfy yung second statement na either b is not equal to 0 or a is not equal to c. Sa hyperbola is b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. Sa parabola naman is b squared minus 4ac equals 0. Sa examples natin, identify the conic section that the equation represents. Number 1 natin is 4x squared minus 9y squared plus 32x minus 54y minus 53 equals 0. Identify muna natin yung coefficient a, b, and c. Yung a natin is equals to 4, b is equals to 0 kasi walang xy dito sa ating equation. C is equals to negative 9. Yung coefficient ng y squared natin. Then, substitute sa formula nating b squared minus 4ac. Magiging equals 0 squared minus 4 times 4, yung a natin, times negative 9. Then, ang makukuha nating sagot is 144. Yung b squared minus 4ac natin is greater than 0. Therefore, ito ay hyperbola. Number 2, 16x squared plus 25y squared minus 1600 minus 1600 equals 0. Identify muna natin ang a, b, and c. A is 16, b equals 0, at yung c equals 25. Substitute sa formula uli na b squared minus 4ac. Magiging 0 squared minus 4 times 16 times 25 equals negative 1600. Yung b squared minus 4ac natin is less than 0. Therefore, it is a circle or ellipse. And dapat masatisfy yung second equation ng circle or ellipse. Maalin man sa dalawa para ma-identify natin. Yung b natin is equals to 0. Satisfy niya yung sa circle na una. But yung a is not equal to c, which is hindi na satisfy sa circle, kaya it is an ellipse. Number 3, x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 8y plus 9 equals 0. Identify a, b, c. A equals 1, b equals 0, and c is coefficient ng y squared ay 1. Substitute sa formula b squared minus 4ac. 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 equals negative 4. b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Ito ay, it is a circle or ellipse. b equals 0. Nasatisfy niya yung sa statement ng circle na una. A equals c is yung pangalawang statement sa circle, kaya it is a circle yung equation natin. Number 4, 9x squared minus 12xy plus 4y squared plus 6y minus 8y equals 0. Identify a, b, c. A equals 9, yung coefficient ng x squared. B equals negative 12, coefficient ng xy, and c is equals to 4, coefficient ng y squared. Substitute to the formula b squared minus 4ac. Negative 12 squared minus 4 times 9 times 4. Yung magiging sagot natin is 144 minus 144 equals 0. Yung b squared natin minus 4ac is equals to 0. Therefore, yung equation is a parabola. Last example, number 5. 5x squared minus 3xy plus 2y squared plus 3x minus 8y minus 7 equals 0. Identify A, B, C. A equals 5, B equals negative 3, C is positive 2. Then, substitute ulit natin sa formulang B squared minus 4AC. Magiging negative 3 squared minus 4 times of quantity 5 times 2. Magiging sagot is, dito is positive 9 minus 40. Magiging sagot is negative 31. Yung B squared minus 4AC natin is less than 0. Therefore, it is a circle or ellipse. Then, next is, punta naman tayo sa next na statement na dapat masatisfy for each conic section. Yung B natin is not equals to 0. Sa unang statement pa lang is hindi na siya circle, which is kaya lalapag na siya sa ellipse. Therefore, yung equation natin is an ellipse. Ganun lamang ang pag-identify natin ng 4 conic sections in general form, which is hanapin muna natin yung coefficient ng A, B, and C, then substitute natin sa formulang B squared minus 4AC, and kung saan masatisfy yung answer natin sa B squared minus 4AC is yun yung kind ng conic sections natin. Thank you for watching, and I hope may natutunan kayo.